Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Elastic Beanstalk improves scaling and deployment speeds for Windows instances with EC2 Fast Launch. This functionality enables timely provisioning of Windows instances at scale, reducing downtime and improving operational costs during deployment. As a result, development and operational teams can save time. Elastic Beanstalk automatically launches Windows instances with EC2 Fast Launch enabled on currently supported Windows platform versions. This new functionality helps to reduce the time it takes to provision Windows instances, making it ideal for situations where rapid deployment is critical. AWS Resource Groups now supports an additional 172 resource types for tag-based resource groups. This expansion enables customers to group and manage resources from various services, including AWS Entity Resolution, Amazon Personalize, and Amazon Q Apps. The newly added resource types can be used to model, manage, and automate tasks on large numbers of AWS resources by logically grouping them. This feature allows customers to create collections of resources such as applications, projects, or workloads, and manage them based on dimensions like cost, performance, and compliance in services like My Applications, AWS Systems Manager, and Amazon CloudWatch. The expanded resource type coverage is available in all AWS regions, including the AWS GovCloud regions. Customers can access AWS resource groups through the AWS Management Console, the AWS SDK APIs, and the AWS CLI. Luma AI's Ray 2 visual AI model, now available in Amazon Bedrock, enables the generation of realistic video clips with fluid movement. This large-scale model can create production-ready visuals with seamless animations, ultra-realistic details, and logical event sequences using natural language prompts. With Ray 2, you can streamline the creative process from concept to execution by generating video clips for content creation, entertainment, advertising, and media use cases. For instance, content creators can swiftly produce video clips for product promotion and storytelling, while product teams can rapidly visualize concepts and create video mock-ups for market testing. The model is particularly suitable for production studios, which can utilize Ray 2 to create pre-visualizations, generate realistic backgrounds, and produce initial versions of special effects sequences. Ray 2 supports 5 and 9-second video generations with 540p and 720p resolution, making it ideal for a variety of professional creative applications. Currently, Luma AI's Ray 2 model is available in the US West AWS region. To learn more about Ray 2 and how to utilize it in your projects, you can refer to the AWS News blog, visit the Luma AI and Amazon Bedrock page, or consult the Amazon Bedrock documentation. AWS Marketplace launches automated version archiving for AMI and container products, streamlining the version management experience for customers and sellers. Automated archival applies to old, unused product versions that are no longer available publicly for subscription, restricting access after 2 years of non-use. This ensures only the latest versions are visible in AWS Marketplace, reducing the risk of using outdated versions. Existing users can continue to utilize archived versions through launch templates and Amazon EC2 auto-scaling groups by specifying the AMI ID. However, once an archived version is deleted, it becomes unavailable for new or existing users to launch. The automated archiving process deletes any archived version that has not been used to launch new instances in the previous 13 months. This simplifies product management for sellers and reduces storage costs by automatically removing unused older versions. AWS Elastic Beanstalk adds default support for EC2 launch template when creating new environments. This feature allows you to deploy and manage applications without worrying about configuring the underlying infrastructure that runs those applications. With this feature, you will not need to manually set certain configuration options in any AWS accounts to direct Elastic Beanstalk to use the EC2 launch template when creating new environments. Elastic Beanstalk support for EC2 launch template is generally available in commercial regions where Elastic Beanstalk is available, including the AWS GovCloud regions. Amazon Elastic now supports one-click connectivity setup between EC2 and your cache, streamlining the process for new users and developers. With this feature, you can easily connect Amazon Elastic clusters to an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instance directly from the AWS Management Console. This eliminates the need for manual tasks like setting up subnets and ingress/egress rules, as Elastic automatically configures VPCs, security groups, and network settings. You can establish secure connectivity between your cache and an EC2 instance with a single click, following AWS recommended best practices. Additionally, you can connect to your cache from the console using AWS Cloud Shell. Just click the Connect to Cache button in the new Connectivity and Security tab, which will open a new AWS Cloud Shell session and connect to your cache using the Voki CLI tool. Once connected, you can execute common Voki commands, including reading data and writing data. Amazon CloudWatch now allows customers to evaluate metrics data for an extended duration of up to 7 days, enabling the monitoring of longer-running or infrequent processes. This enhancement offers deeper insights into resources and applications by providing a longer period for evaluating performance trends. With this increased limit, customers can leverage CloudWatch alarms to track near real-time metric changes as well as monitor patterns that span multiple days. To alarm on multiple days of data, users must specify a period of at least 3,600 seconds and the number of data points to compare against the threshold. This new feature is available in all AWS regions, including the AWS GovCloud regions, allowing customers to create or update alarms using the CloudWatch console or command line interface. Amazon Bedrock Flows has announced a preview launch of multi-turn conversation support for agent nodes, enabling dynamic and interactive conversations between users and flows. This feature allows an agent node to intelligently pause the flow's execution and request user-specific information when necessary. When a user is required to provide additional context, the flow can seamlessly resume its execution once the requested information is sent. This feature enables a more interactive and context-aware experience by allowing the flow to adapt its behavior based on user responses. With this new capability, users can engage in back-and-forth conversations with flows, similar to natural dialogue. The multi-turn conversation support is now available in all regions where flows is available. To get started, customers can refer to the AWS blog and user guide for more information. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.